I want to know what it was like for you over the past few years, um, and specifically what attorneys were looking for when they approached you in trying to automate their practice. Were they looking for more flexibility in how they could run their firms, or did they feel like this was a necessary step? And was there sort of this like boom for you because of the result of the last few years?
Oh yeah, totally. Of course, the pandemic definitely helped my mission of helping lawyers go virtually for sure. But I basically had a 5-year head start on being able to implement these virtual kind of concepts before the pandemic hit. And by that time, I kind of had the experience to be able to quickly pass on those lessons. But I had to go through those same kind of, again, questions, FUDs, evolutions of myself. I would answer my own phone calls. Then I learned about, virtual receptionist service like answering legal, and I was able to delegate that out. Then I'm like, oh, I learned about Calendly. So started this, setting up those meetings. And over time, it was little by little. I don't think of like change doesn't happen instantly. It happens over time, but you do have to level up your game. So it is a little by little, um, revolution that you go through to be able to implement and automate, different parts of your law firm. But I could give you the light at the end of the tunnel is that your entire law firm could be automated. Your entire law firm could be automated. Okay. And this is the reality of it. And most businesses will eventually be automated. Your McDonald's will be automated. Your, everything you could, any service will be automated. And, a lot of people, you could either fight it, have fun about it, or you could use that power to your advantage, get on top of it, learn about it, quickly implement it, because these things are going to happen whether you like it or not. So I hate, meeting lawyers who like get stuck in the ways. Instead, go with the flow, go with where the world's heading, and look ahead to help you determine where you should be heading.